When it comes to electrical systems, the terms wire and cable are often used interchangeably, leading to confusion among consumers and even professionals. However, wires and cables are distinct components with specific characteristics, uses, and design features. Understanding the differences between them is crucial for selecting the right product for your project, whether you're wiring a new home, upgrading an audio system, or working on an automotive electrical system. In this article, we'll delve into what wires and cables are, how they differ, and their common applications. What is a wire? A wire is a single, usually cylindrical, strand of metal that conducts electricity. The metal is typically copper, aluminum, or copper-clad aluminum, CCA, with each type offering different benefits depending on the application. Wires can be either solid or stranded. A solid wire consists of a single metal conductor, making it more rigid and less flexible. This rigidity is useful in situations where the wire will remain stationary, such as in residential wall wiring. On the other hand, stranded wire is composed of multiple small strands of metal twisted together. This design makes it more flexible and resistant to bending fatigue, making it ideal for applications where the wire will be moved or bent frequently, such as in automotive or speaker systems. What is a cable? A cable is a group of wires encased in a protective outer jacket. The wires inside a cable can be of different types and sizes, depending on the cable's intended use. Cables are designed to carry electrical signals or power across multiple circuits, making them suitable for more complex electrical installations. The outer jacket, typically made from materials like PVC, rubber, or other insulating compounds, protects the internal wires from environmental factors such as moisture, heat, and physical damage. Cables are often classified based on their application, such as power cables, communication cables, and coaxial cables. For instance, a power cable used to connect household appliances to the electrical grid will typically contain multiple insulated wires, each designed to carry a specific electrical load. In contrast, a coaxial cable used for television signals has a central conductor wire, an insulating layer, a metal shield, and an outer jacket, all designed to minimize signal loss and interference. Key differences between wires and cables. While both wires and cables are essential components in electrical systems, their differences in structure, function, and application are significant. Structure. Wire, a single conductor, either solid or stranded, typically made of copper, aluminum, or CCA. Cable, a group of wires encased in an insulating jacket, designed to protect the wires and maintain signal integrity across multiple circuits. Function. Wire, primarily used to carry electrical currents or signals from one point to another, often in simpler, single-circuit applications. Cable, used to connect multiple electrical circuits, often in complex systems where protection from environmental factors and signal interference is critical. Flexibility. Wire, solid wires are less flexible and are better suited for stationary installations, while stranded wires offer more flexibility for applications requiring frequent movement. Cables are generally less flexible than stranded wires due to the protective jacket, but they offer more protection and can carry multiple wires within a single enclosure. Applications. Wire, commonly used in residential wiring, automotive systems, and audio installations. Cable, used in more complex installations, such as powering household appliances, transmitting television or internet signals, and connecting industrial machinery. When to use wires versus cables. Understanding when to use a wire versus a cable depends on the specific requirements of your project. Here are some common scenarios. Home electrical wiring. In residential wiring, individual wires are often used to connect switches, outlets, and fixtures within a single circuit. For example, 14 GA wires might be used for lighting circuits, while 12 GA wires are typically used for outlets that require higher current. However, Cables are used to run multiple wires from the electrical panel to various rooms or areas of the house, providing power to multiple circuits. When it comes to larger appliances like ovens or air conditioners, 10 GA wires might be necessary due to their ability to carry more current. Automotive wiring. In vehicles, stranded wire is typically used due to its flexibility and resistance to vibration. For instance, a 12 GA wire is ideal for connecting car audio components, offering enough conductivity to power speakers while being flexible enough to route through tight spaces. Audio systems. High-quality speaker wire is essential for audio systems to ensure minimal signal loss and interference. Depending on the setup, you might use individual wires for connecting speakers to an amplifier, such as a 16 GA wire for standard speakers, or a specialized audio cable that includes multiple wires for more complex setups. A 12 GA speaker wire is a popular choice for enthusiasts looking to optimize their sound quality while maintaining a budget-friendly solution. Industrial applications. In industrial settings, cables are preferred for connecting machinery and equipment because they can carry multiple wires within a single jacket, providing protection and organization in environments where reliability and safety are paramount. For example, a 10 GA wire within a heavy-duty cable might be used for powering large motors, while smaller 14 GA wires might be included within the same cable for control circuits. Conclusion. Wires and cables are fundamental components of any electrical system, but they serve different purposes based on their design and intended use. While wires are simpler and often used for straightforward connections, cables provide a more complex and protected means of carrying electricity across multiple circuits. Understanding the difference between wires and cables and selecting the right gauge for your application is crucial for safety and performance. Whether you're wiring your home, upgrading your car audio system, or setting up an industrial machine, Baboom offers a wide range of wire gauges to meet your needs.